students, today we are going to see Standard 4 Maths, Term 3, Unit 3. Topic is measurements. Come, let me get into the session.
Unit 3 Measurements. A measurement means compare to a fixed standard value. To measure something is to give a number to some property of the thing. Measurement can be written using many different units. Volume. Volume is the space occupied by any 3D object, that is cone, cube, cuboid and cylinder. When we expand 1 centimeter from the surface of 2D, it forms 3D. Let we recall 2D objects. A one-dimension quantity, length, and it is represented as 1 centimeter. Two-dimension quantity, that is length and breadth, which can be written as 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. That is length 1 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. The space occupied here 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is length and breadth is equal to 1 centimeter square. Two-dimensional quantity is called as area. When we expand 1 centimeter from the surface of 2D, it forms 3D. See the picture, that is length 1 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter and the width is 1 centimeter. The space occupied here 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Three-dimensional quantity is called as volume. Measuring volume of given liquid using containers marked with standard units. We can write milliliter as ml and liter as L. Here, some of the volume of liquid measurement has given both in liter and milliliters. 1/4 liter is equal to 250 milliliter. 1/2 liter, that is half liter, is equal to 500 milliliter. 3/4 liter is equal to 750 milliliter. 1 liter, that is equal to 1000 milliliter. These are the standard units of capacity. List out the measures used at your home for the following items. So here the items and the quantity in liters have been given. We have to estimate the measurements of these containers. Water 1 liter, milk 1 liter, oil 1 liter, petrol 1 liter, diesel 1 liter. The volume of the containers can be measured by the capacity of liquid that holds. Measures cannot be accurate if we use non-standard measures. To measure the liquids, we use standard units milliliter and liter. Change liter into milliliter. Liter is the higher unit and milliliter is the lower unit. If we calculate these problems, we have to keep it in mind that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. If we go on convert higher unit to lower unit, we have to multiply it by 1000. That is the given problem into 1000. Now we are going to solve the problems. That is first one, 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That is 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 milliliter. 7 liter. 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000 milliliter. 5 liter. 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 milliliter. 9 liter. 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000 milliliter. 4 liter. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 milliliter. Change milliliter into liter. If we go on convert into milliliter, that is lower unit to higher unit, we have to divide by 1000 because 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 6000 milliliter is equal to 6 liter. If we divide 6000 by 1000, we can get 6. Second sum, 2000 milliliter. 2000 divided by 1000, we can get 2 liters. 8000 milliliter. 8000 divided by 1000, we can get 8 liters. 9000 milliliter. If we divide 9000 by 1000, we can get 9 liters. So, once again I repeat, if we keep on convert into milliliter to liter, we have to divide the number. If we convert into higher unit to lower unit, we have to multiply the number. Fill in the red boxes below using 500 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 100 milliliter and 50 milliliter to get the total in the blue boxes given above in the red boxes. First sum, 200 milliliter. 50 milliliter plus 50 milliliter plus 100 milliliter, we can get the total 200 milliliter. Second one is 500 milliliter. If we add 100 milliliter plus 200 milliliter plus 200 milliliter, we can get 500 milliliter, that is half liter. Third one is 1 liter. If we add 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, we can get 1 liter. Complete the following. 5 liter plus 376 milliliter is equal to 5000 milliliter plus 376 milliliter. In this problem, that 5 liter should be converted into milliliter. Then only we can able to add the numbers. So 5 liter, that is 5 liter should be converted into milliliter. 5 into 1000. We already know the formula that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So we have to multiply 5 into 1000 to get 5000 milliliter and add the remaining milliliter, that is 376. We can get 5376 milliliter. In the same way, we can calculate all the problems. 3 liter plus 735 milliliter. This 3 liter should be converted into 3000 milliliter because 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. If we keep on convert into lower units, we have to multiply that 1000 into 3. So we can get 3000 milliliter plus already we are having 735 milliliter. We should add, we can get 3735 milliliter. Third sum, 4 liter plus 43 milliliter. Third sum, 4 liter plus 43 milliliter. This 4 liter we convert into milliliter, that is 4000 milliliter plus already we have 43 milliliter. If we add 4000 plus 43, we can get 4043 milliliter. The hundreds place is 0. Fourth sum, 8 liter plus 6 milliliter. So that 8 liter should be converted into 8000 milliliter plus already we have 6 milliliter. If we add 8000 plus 6, we can get 8006 milliliter. Fifth sum, 6 liter plus 800 milliliter. 6 liter is equal to 6000 milliliter plus 800 milliliter. If we add these two numbers, that is 6800 milliliter. For this type of addition, we have to change the same units and then we have to add the numbers. Match the following measurements given in the bottles with the measurements in the boxes given below the bottles. First one, 3 liter 400 milliliter. The answer is 3400 milliliter. How we can get this answer? We have to change 3 liter into milliliter. That is 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter plus 400. So totally 3400 milliliter. Likewise, we have to calculate all the numbers. 1 liter 10 milliliter is equal to 1010 milliliter. 25 liter plus 25 liter 73 milliliter, we can get 2573 milliliter. 36 liter 9 milliliter, we can get 3609 milliliter. Add the following numbers. First one, 25 liter 830 milliliter plus 42 liter 126 liters. We can able to write the numbers in the according to their order, that is digits wise, and we have to separate liter and milliliter. Then we are going to calculate the numbers. 0 plus 6 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 4 is 6. So we can get the answer 67 liter and 956 milliliter. Likewise, we have to add the second number, that is 13 liter 250 milliliter plus 32 liter 140 milliliter. Likewise, we have to write the numbers according to the digits. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the answer is 45 liter and 390 milliliter. Subtract the following numbers. Likewise, addition, we have to arrange the numbers according to the digits and the units, that is liter and milliliter. 29 liter 910 milliliter, 21 liter 500 milliliter. So we have to arrange the numbers and then do usual subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we can get the answer 8 liters 410 milliliters. Next sum, 63 liters 560 milliliter, 34 liter 230 milliliter. So we have to arrange the numbers according to the digits and the units, that is liter and milliliter. Then do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3. Three is not able to subtract the 4, so we have to get the help of next number. We can get 13. and that number should be reduced from 6 to 5. So 13 minus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the total answer is 29 liters and 330 milliliter. Estimation of the volume of liquid contained in a vessel and verification by measuring. Situation: Sheila's mother prepared an orange juice for her daughter's friend. Sheila wants to share the juice with her 4 friends equally, but before that they want to know how much juice does the bottle contain. They have given an estimated measurement of 950 milliliter. They want to measure the juice in a 200 ml glass. Through that, they want to verify. They found that the bottle juice fills the 5 200 milliliter glasses completely. From this, they have come to know that the bottle 1000 milliliter of juice. Estimate how much liquid each object can hold. Here the answers are given: 500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, 25 milliliter and 20 liter. The containers have been displayed here. We are going to estimate the capacity of the containers. First one, glass. Glass can hold 50 milliliter of milk. Then water bottle. Water bottle can hold 500 milliliter of water. Next is medicine. Medicine bottle can hold 100 milliliter of syrup. Next is ink bottle. Ink bottle can hold 25 milliliter of ink. The last one is bucket. A bucket can hold 20 liters of water. According to the containers, we can easily estimate whether the capacity of the container is liter or milliliter. If it is a large container, we can estimate it into a liter. If it is smaller one, means the estimation should be of milliliter. Thank you.